we'll circle back around on that. Just want to make sure you guys know, and hopefully you are bought in, excited about this, because again, there's a big gap in the number of people that are joining our business and the number of people that are actually skilled at being able to go and sell this membership. Catherine Walden, I know Elizabeth was there at the very beginning with me. Catherine Walden was the company group trainer. And I went to group school, which is now the business solutions class. And she said, some of you all have no intention to do group, but at least you're going to know how to do it. And in this class, which was a 2-day class, I'm going to teach you all how to sell this membership. She said, I don't care if you want to do individual sales, group sales, or if you want to go out and recruit a team of people doing this. If you can't do the If You're My Attorney story, then you're not going to succeed in any of those lanes. So basically, we all need to learn the If You're My Attorney story and be able to, in 15 minutes, sell somebody on the membership. Now, Eric Worre, when he was in Maryland about 18 years ago, 20-something years ago, we had about 1,000 people at a big power training. And Eric spent about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, doing a survey of all the people in that room. And it turned out the end result, the stat that he found was about 52% of sit-down presentations were resulting in a sign-up.